Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Skullcandy headphones have enough charge and your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Once done, install and open the Skullcandy app. It needs Bluetooth and location access to find your device. You'll see a prompt to add a device. Tap Start or Add and put your headphones into pairing mode. This begins the connection sequence, which the app uses to download firmware options and show available features, so make sure to keep the headphones nearby. After the app detects your headset, select the correct model and follow the pairing steps. The app shows animations to confirm successful connection. If a firmware update appears, accept it. Updates fix bugs and enable new features. Once paired, explore the EQ presets, then create a custom profile to tune bass, mids, and treble. Also, enable optional features like tile tracking, quick charge displays, and voice prompts so the app and headphones work to finish by saving your EQ and control mappings, then test microphone and music playback using the app's diagnostics so you confirm everything works. If audio drops or lag happens, first reboot the headset and repair. If problems persist, clear the app cache or force stop the app and try again. As a last resort, perform the headset's factory reset and run the pairing process from the beginning. This clears stubborn settings and usually restores a clean, reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.